So today we just got finished up moving the hogs in. Finally the boar went in, and now we're getting ready to build some more beehive, kind of like just a base for a beehive. This is a double. This is an old one, and I'm gonna just kind of mimic it and make the same exact setup for another one here. And I just got some old bed frame material. It was wore out, so I'm just repurposing it. Okay, so we got it all cut out, and then I like to start with a clean workspace. So we cleaned it all off, and just like I said, I'm replicating this one. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and weld it all up. It shouldn't take very long to weld it up, but I got my legs here. I just measured and made them all the same size, I hope. Yep, they're good, yep. And then these are for my feet. Since I didn't have any flat steel, I just made these for my feet, so I'll weld them on the bottom here, something like that. So that way it don't go down in the ground, it just holds on. And then made me the sides, all the sides. And then I made all the, both of the front and back. Front goes down and back goes up. And then them boxes, the hive bottom just goes straight in the bottom, and it sticks out the front. Some of them stick out a little way, some of them stick out a little more. So you make that front one flip over like that, so it goes out past it. And then we'll weld this up and see how it looks. But this is, it used almost all of a queen bed frame. The only thing that was left was this part right there. That's all that was left of the queen bed frame. So it used up quite a bit of it, but something like that in the store would cost quite a bit. So save your used bed frames. Alright, so we're just now putting these beehive stands in the spots that we're wanting to put them in. It's actually looking out towards the sun, so it's kind of looking towards the south, and it's going to look right at our garden area and the ponds down here. So we're going to have, it's going to just be all around good for them. When you're putting up your stands for your beehives, make sure when you level them of course lengthways. I've got a 2 stand, so lengthen them or do them lengthways, level them. But then when you do the front and back, tilt your front down just a little bit so that water don't run in on them. It'll drown them. So anyways,